This is the last review exercise. After that, we will finish our determinants and matrices chapter. Now your job is you have to practice it, right? So this question is, if A is equal to this matrix, B is equal to this, you have to verify that A, B whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. First, we will prove left hand side and then right hand side. So left hand side we have A, B transpose, right? So first we will solve A and B only, right? A and B. So A we have 3, 2, 1 and then -1, and B we have 2, -3, 4 or -5. If you want, we can do like this: transpose here and then close it, transpose, right? We will take the transpose at the end. So here we have to multiply, same thing, first row with first column, plus 2 multiplied by -3. Here this row with this column, now 3 multiplied by 4 and then plus 2 multiplied by negative. And I told you, whenever there is a negative sign, you have to be very careful. 2 and then positive minus negative and then is -3. Here 1 multiplied by 4 plus -1 multiplied by -5. 6 minus 6, it is 2, or this will be plus 3, 1 time 3. This is 12 minus 10 and it is 4 plus 6. Sorry, 5, 1 time 5. This is 5, not 6. So it is 0, 5. It will be -2. No, this is +2. 2 and 9. Please do not forget transpose here. We have to take the transpose. Right. So now transpose. What is the transpose? This is row, make it a column, 0 and 2. This is second row, make it column, 5 and 9. So this is A and B whole transpose. Or you can say this is the left hand side. Now we are going to prove right hand side, but on your exam and your copies you have to do after this, okay? I am writing here. Why? Because I want to show you in one slide. B transpose A transpose. See, B transpose A transpose. Here first we will take the transpose and then we will multiply. In the left hand side we have multiplied first and then we had take the transpose. So B transpose this one. This is 2 and 4. Make it column. Similarly A transpose -3 and -5. A transpose, this is one row. Make it column, 3, 2. Second row, make it column. Now we will multiply. So simple. And at the end we should have this answer. This one. I will write down 1. 2 multiplied by 3 plus -3 multiplied by 2. This column with this row, then same row with the second column. 2 multiplied by 1 plus -3 multiplied by -1. 4 multiplied by 3 and plus -5 multiplied by 2. Same second row with the second column plus -5 multiplied by -1. 6 minus 6, it is 12 minus 10, and here is 2 plus 3 and here is 4 plus 5 because this is -1. So it is 0, 2, 5 and 9. right? So this is 2. So we have proved that AB, so you can write down at the end that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose, right? So what we did, first we have solved the left hand side. You have to multiply AB, whatever you have inside the parenthesis, you have to do first. At the end we will take the transpose, and here individually we have to take the transpose first, then we have to multiply the answer. Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. So we have proved. Another question and last question is same A and B matrices. Now we have to prove that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse and A inverse. This is again the lengthy question. I will give you the hint and then you have to solve it. So first of all we have to solve the left hand side, AB, right? So see, first part I will solve for you. AB, first you have to multiply A and B. This is 3, 1, 2 and -1. And then B is 2, 4, -3 and -5. So first step is you have to multiply these two, right? At the and make it this. 3 multiplied by 2. Now I think you should know very well how to multiply first row with the first column, then same row with the second column. 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by -5, right? At the end we have to take this. So 1 multiplied by 2 plus -1 multiplied by -3. 1 multiplied by 4 plus -1 multiplied by -5. Simplify it, it will be 6 minus 6, right? It will be 12, and then this is -10. It is 2 plus 3 and it is 4 plus 5, which is equal to 0, 5, 2 and 9, right? Now it is not done. We so far we have only AB. We have multiplied A and B only, right? But this is AB whole inverse. So AB whole inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by adjoint of AB, because this is AB and this is determinant of AB. So what is the adjoint of AB? Adjoint of AB is, how we will take the adjoint? Change the position of this. It is 9 and 0, and change the sign of these two. It will be -2 and -5. And determinant of this will be -10. How? See, multiply this. 9 0 times 0 minus 10, it is 10. So it means you have to, this -10 will divide each and every entry. It will be 1/5. It is 1/2 and 0. So this is AB whole inverse equal to this one, right? AB whole inverse is equal to -9/10, 1/2, 1/5 and 0. Now is the this one, right hand side you have to prove. So I will give you hint, okay? Then you have to solve it. Left hand side I have solved. So this is B inverse and A inverse. First you have to find out B inverse. How you will find out? B inverse is equal to adjoint of B divided by B here, determinant of B. Same thing for A is equal to adjoint of A, right? And then divided by determinant of A. So adjoint of B, how we will do the adjoint of B? See, this is B. Change the position this. It will be -2, -5 and 2. So see, -5 will come up here and 2 will go there, and change the sign of the other two. This one. And then you have to divide with determinant of b. See, this is b. So minus 10, and this will be positive 12. So minus 10 and positive 12, so it will be 2, right? So move on here. It is equal to, b determinant is equal to 2. And then you have to minus 5 over 2, and this is minus 4 over 2, which is equal to minus 2, and 3 over 2 and 1. So this is b inverse. Same thing for a inverse, you have to find out. Just change the position here, change the position of these two, and change the sign of these two. You have to find out the determinant. Whatever is the value, whatever is the matrices for this a inverse, you have to multiply them, and answer should be this 9 over minus 10, 1 over 5, like this, right? You have to do it, follow the steps whatever I have told you. But still, if you cannot solve it, do not worry about it, write down in the comment section, I will solve for you. Okay, but your job is to practice, because maths needs practice, right? So we have completed our matrices and determinants, but please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.